Pooh's thoughts kept returning to his honey pots at home.
Henry!
What was that, Pooh? My tummy rumbled. Now then, come on, let's go home. But Pooh, do you know the way? No, Piglet, but there are 12 pots of honey in my cupboard, and they have been calling to my tummy. They have? Yes, Piglet. I couldn't hear them before because Rabbit would talk. I think I know where they're calling from, so come on, we'll just follow my tummy. Well, they walked off together, and for a long time Piglet said nothing, so as not to interrupt Pooh's honey pots. And sure enough, as the mist got thinner, and just when Piglet began to know where he was...
You're trying to get to your brother, aren't you?
You two blokes, where have you been? We've been trying to find our way back home. Pooh, I don't think Rabbit's splendid idea worked. Hey, where is old Long Ears anyway? He must still be missing in the mist. Well,
Hey.
that's me. I'll bounce him out of there. TTFN. Ta-ta for now.
Where is Joe?
Meanwhile, Rabbit was still wandering around in the mist.
Where is Joe?